Today I'm going to be making something really yummy, and these are my rich and moist chocolate mocha cupcakes. So let's get on with the ingredients. 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of coffee, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of regular white sugar, that's granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. So our first step, I'm going to get all of our nice oil in there, and our sugar. Perfect. I'm going to grab my mixer, and I'm just going to start mixing this together. And at this point, you can pop your egg in there, it's totally fine. Just get that right in there. And just mix this up. This is a really fast and easy recipe. So that's good, just like that. Turn my mixer down, I'm going to get all of my milk in there. And just get that incorporated. And I'm also going to get all of my salt, my baking powder, and my baking soda, and then the vanilla, and just keep mixing. Okay, that's good. And then I'll grab my sieve, and I'm going to get in all of my flour and my beautiful cocoa powder. And there we go. I'm just going to give that a little shake, rattle, and roll. And then if you're at home, you can just use your fingers and push it right through the sieve. Perfect. And grab our mixer. And we'll just start incorporating all of this. And then I'm just going to take the coffee and get that in there as well. And that's it for our ingredients. So just mix this up until it's well combined. And don't worry about this recipe being very liquidy. This is the way it is supposed to be. You're going to see how nice this turns out. Okay, so I'm back, and I've just taken some little paper liners and just put them into my cupcake little, pan here. And I'm just going to grab our beautiful batter here, and I'm going to start filling these up. And don't worry about this mixture. It's very runny, but it produces a really nice cake, okay? So this recipe is good for about 12 cupcakes. My oven is set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to pop these in. I'll come back and I'll tell you how long I bake them. So, off to the oven. Alright, I'm back, and I baked my chocolate mocha cupcakes for a total of 25 minutes. And they are still quite warm, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let them cool down, and then we'll come back a little later and we'll break into one. Alright, so my cupcakes have completely cooled right now, and I will just show you how nice these are. You can see how dark, really dark chocolate these are. And I'll just show you what they look like inside. We'll just break into one. And look at that. Perfectly done. This batter looks very thin. It's a very thin batter. When you kind of scratch your head and say, is this going to work out? Well, here you go. Here's the proof. You can see. And watch this. I'll just take one. I'll just show you how nice that is. You can see how moist these are. They just break apart. Beautiful. Let me just try a little piece. Really good. So for the last little step, we'll just grab one of our nice cupcakes, and I'm just going to go around and put some of this Swiss meringue buttercream on there. There we go. Any design you want. You can just, if you want a little bit less, you can just put a little bit less. There we go. And one more. And if you've never tried this type of buttercream, you must make this recipe. It is amazing, that's all I can say. And there we go. Let me just zoom in a little bit. I'll just move my camera down so we can see a little bit better. I just brought the camera down a little bit so you can see these. Oh, so nice. So these are my chocolate mocha cupcakes with Swiss meringue buttercream. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.